Hello! Okay, so I have a couple of things to say. I've officially moved, finally. So everything is coming on its place. Finally, I'm so happy, I'm so excited. Please don't look at my hair, it's a mess. I have a lot more space, and that really makes me happy because I have shitloads of stuff. So we've been moving for the last 2 weeks, so that's why I was not on YouTube or Instagram that much. I'm planning to show you my beauty room, my studio, my closet, and my bedroom if you'd like. So if you'd like that, please let me know in the comment section. So yeah, what else? Oh, right now I'm going to my friend's salon. I'm actually gonna put permanent hair extensions. The reason why I decided to do that is my hair is still a little bit damaged. I'm really right now it's time to either cut it or put hair extensions. So it's easier to put hair extensions so that my hair grows underneath, and that's a lot easier. So yeah, if I cut my hair, it's gonna be all the way up to here again, and I really don't want that. Or I would, do a lot of ponies. That is actually damaging your hair as well. The only solution right now for me is to put hair extensions and wear them approximately for a year. That's the goal, So we shall see if my hair will stay healthy. I really, when you put extensions, you never know. It may, damage your hair. Everything can happen, but it can turn out great. So I believe in my hairstylist. She's also one of my best friends, and I know how she works. So I think she's gonna do an amazing job. See you later. And we're here. You guys remember her? She's now a married woman. No. Show the ring. Okay, so we're gonna do the hair now. Yes. Okay guys, so we're halfway there. This is what I have on my head. It's gonna look amazing, but now I'm about to eat. We spent 8 hours today doing my hair. So this is what I'm wearing. I think these boots are from Public Desire. Jeans are Zara. Bodysuit is Meshki. And this bombast jacket is Pretty Little Thing. The bag is Balmain. So yeah, this is my complete look. I'm going to a meeting and I'm still adjusting to this hair. Today is gonna be a hectic day because I'm doing a lot of shit. So I need to film this look. So see you later. Good morning, guys. It's 8:30, it's Friday, and I'm super hungry, so I'm going to the gym. I'm about to make some pancakes, like healthy pancakes. Protein pancakes, blah, 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 blah. You make them with water, so let's do this. We will need a pan, a bowl, like that. Good morning, guys. So it's 12 p.m. and I just got back from the gym. I took a shower and this is what I'm wearing now. I'm actually going to my hairstylist again. The pants are Fashion Nova. Top is from Zara. And this, I'm not sure. It's either Missy Empire or Pretty Little Thing. I'm not sure. Done, and this is the hairstyle. So we bleached my bangs a little bit, and now it's all blended. I'm so freaking happy because now I can finally, you know, just say I have a hairstyle after such a long time. Hey guys, it's Thursday, 11 a.m. I film this every day, makeup look, and after I'm probably, oh yeah, my friend is coming today, so I don't know if I'm gonna film this, but this week, can you hear that? Let's just wait until it passes. It's like helicopter. I don't know if this vlog is even gonna be, you know, fun. It's not gonna be fun. It's like actually very boring because I'm doing nothing. We were just cleaning the house, decorating a little bit. In the meantime, this is my life. Next month, I'm actually going to a few trips, so it's gonna be a lot more fun to watch, a lot more fun to film. So yes, bear with me, bear with me. So yeah, see ya. Hey guys, so this is my outfit for today. It's all Zara except the belt, but that's my outfit. I'm driving home with my mom. She doesn't want to be on a camera, so I'm always alone. Guys, you know what? It's strange to listen to this song while your mom isn't here. You're such a fucking hoe. I love it. This part especially.
Are you trying to act like you was drinking sparkling water before you came out here? I'm a sick fuck, I like a quick fuck. I'm a sick fuck, I like a quick fuck. I'm a sick fuck, I like a quick fuck. I'm a sick fuck, I like a quick fuck. I like it.
She loves me right now. You have to see her face.
Slipped up. I'm a sick fuck, I'm inappropriate. I like
We got some sweets, even though I'm not allowed to eat this. Now I'm going to the gym. And she goes. She's so fast. Oh well, I need to change. Shit, I'm in a hurry. My trainer is gonna kill me. This is my everyday beauty routine. This is what I use. I'm not gonna show you everything because here I have a lot of things, but I'm gonna do this in a separate video. As you can see, I use a lot of La Roche. I use Mario Badescu, Tarte. Basically, I love this Pixie tonic. But yes, this is my everyday routine. Brush. The close up. Yeah. So now I'm gonna have this on my face for like 15 minutes and I'm gonna put something on and finish. Yes, I'm going downstairs and I'm gonna eat something, so. Okay, so as you can see, I'm not having TV stand there, so I need to purchase something. I'm still looking for it. So yeah, my telly is on the ground. So fashionable. Yeah, and I also have very thick socks, like winter socks. Like I'm always cold, so that's why I need to wear this. But yeah, this is a glimpse. We still haven't decorated. We need to replace the coffee table. We need to purchase a bigger one and a lot of stuff. So I'm not gonna show you anything else, but